What's up, fam? We're here at camp. It's a little late at night. We're here with Liam and Nick. We're gonna do a little unboxing. We have this blue camp stove. So the link will be in the description for this one specific. I got the camo one. I have not opened the box yet. One thing to know that I noticed before purchasing, you do have to buy a propane, or it's isobutane, before you use it. But for you looking to buy one, here is what you're gonna get. Open this up, pull it out. It's all in one pack already. Got the little customer service card and a little surprise for you, a free coffee grinder if you want to turn that in. So you got your little netting package. You can see that right there. Inside we got our bowl, our cup. So you can see it's pretty big. My hand side by side. What's another good comparison? My phone is a iPhone SE 2020. So good size. Sorry, my phone's camo too. That's weird. The lid is all in this nice vacuum sealed bag. So it's like a rubber. It's like a hard rubber, which is nice. You don't have to worry about it breaking. It's gonna bend quite a bit. Got some cardboard to hold the legs. The legs all come apart. A little stand right there for us. And then we got a few different things in here. Looks like we got a ring. And then the burner. So the burner. Let's see the instruction manual. Okay, here we go. So it says take out the lid and stove burner from the pot. Make sure the valve is closed, fully turn to the right. So let's check and make sure this is fully turned to the right. Yep. Connect burner to canister, hold canister and screw clockwise. Pretty self-explanatory. So it's okay to hear gas leak. It says to turn on the gas slightly. You can hear it going. Try to turn up a bit higher. Ooh, look at that thing. So you can see that it's burning pretty hot. And then, so I think this must be for a pot. So if you want to use a pot, it comes with this little pot holder. If not, let's check. This looks like it screws. I'm going to turn this off for a second. Oh. It's way hot. It's super hot. This. Okay. So there's like little dots right here that will fit right into little notches. And that twists on there and stays on there. And the little holder fits perfectly. Just for the camera's purposes. Let me get my headlamp. You can see all one unit. It's very nice. And then it should all fold up and fit right back in there. Let's test it back out.